The scientist regarded as the father of the science of nutrition due to his work on metabolism and respiration is Antony Lavoisier, Louis Pasteur, Charles Darwin, Gregor Mendel. And the correct answer is option A, that is Antony Lavoisier. The principal storage form of carbohydrate in animal tissues analogous to plant starch is cellulose, glycogen, lactose, chitin. And the correct answer is option B, that is glycogen. Among common naturally occurring sugars, which one has the highest relative sweetness? Glucose, lactose, fructose, maltose. And the correct answer is option C, that is fructose. In young chicks, a deficiency of vitamin E leading to encephalomalacia presents clinically as Caldor paralysis, crazy chick disease, rickets, gout. And the correct answer is option B, that is crazy chick disease. To support rapidly early growth and muscle development, Baller starter diets are typically formulated to contain about 16% crude protein, 19% crude protein, 21% crude protein, or 23% crude protein. And the correct answer is option D, that is 23% crude protein. During the finisher phase of broiler production, the diet is typically formulated to contain about how much crude protein? 15%, 17%, 19%, 23%. And the correct answer is option C, that is 19%. For optimal egg production and maintenance of body weight, the recommended crude protein level in the diet of laying hens is approximately 12%, 15%, 18%, 22%. And the correct answer is option C, that is 18%. Successful preservation of silage is indicated when fermentation lowers the mass to an optimum pH of approximately 3.8 to 4.2, 2 to 2.5, 3 to 3.5, 4 to 4.5. And the correct answer is option A, that is 3.8 to 4.2. In healthy adult animals under maintenance conditions, The average daily dry matter intake is approximately what percentage of body weight? 1%, 2.5%, 5%, 8%. And the correct answer is option B, that is 2.5%. In laying hens, drinking water containing approximately what level of sodium chloride becomes toxic and reduces egg production? 0.1%, 0.5%, 1%, 3%. And the correct answer is option C, that is 1%. In young chicks, deficiency of which vitamin leads to neurological signs such as retracted head, incoordination, and paralysis termed polyneuritis? Riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, thiamine. And the correct answer is option D, that is thiamine. Exudative diathesis in young chicks characterized by subcutaneous edema and hemorrhage occurs primarily due to deficiency of vitamin A, selenium, calcium, iodine. And the correct answer is option B, that is selenium. In animal nutrition, total digestible nutrients or TDN is primarily used as an index to estimate the energy value of feed, mineral content of feed, protein quality of feed, water content of feed. And the correct answer is option A, that is energy value of feed. The measure of body weight gain per unit weight of dietary protein consumed is termed biological value, gross protein value, protein efficiency ratio, essential amino acid index. And the correct answer is option C, that is protein efficiency ratio. Among common domestic poultry species, which has the highest dietary requirement for niacin to prevent leg deformities and poor growth? Chicken, turkey, duck, quail. And the correct answer is option C, that is duck. Frothy blood in ruminants grazing lush legume pastures is mainly associated with high levels of which foam forming compound? Tannin, saponin, alkaloid, oxalate. And the correct answer is option B, that is saponin. Among common domestic ruminants, which species has the highest basal metabolic rate per unit body weight? cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo. And the correct answer is option C, that is goat. In normal cow's milk, approximately what proportion of the total nitrogen exists as non-protein nitrogen? 1 to 2%, 3 to 5%, 8 to 10%, 20 to 25%. And the correct answer is option B, that is 3 to 5%. To achieve peak laying performance in commercial poultry, the daily photo period is typically maintained at approximately 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours. And the correct answer is option C, that is 14 hours. The chemical name of vitamin D3 synthesized in animal skin from 7-dehydrocholesterol under ultraviolet light is ergocalciferol, cholecalciferol, calcifidiol, calcitriol. And the correct answer is option B, that is cholecalciferol.